we were studying about the lesson A Hero, and I was explaining to you about Swami was 6 years old. He was studying in 2nd standard. His father was R.K. Narayan. One day his father was reading the newspaper. In the newspaper, there was a report on a boy facing the tiger in the jungle. The boy stayed on the tree for half a day until someone comes and kills the tiger. Father asked Swami what was his comment on news report. What was his opinion about news report? Swami was of the opinion that only a grown-up and strong boy can face the tiger, not at all a small young boy. He believed that strength is very important, not the courage. And then Father commented that it is not the strength which is important. A elephant may be having lot of strength, but without courage, elephant cannot achieve anything. A man with a strength of a straw can face the tiger with courage. So, Father commented that courage is important and not the strength. A man may be strong, but without courage, he cannot face the tiger. But Swami did not accept this. Therefore, Father asked him to go to office room and sleep in the office room. Swami selected under the bench was safe, reassuring and compact. He slept on the floor under the bench. As night advanced, Swami listened to many dreadful experiences. He experienced like a tiger chasing him. A tiger was chasing him, he was running, and the tiger was chasing him. Next, he remembered all the stories of goats and devils told by his friend Mani. Mani was son of Muniswami. Once Muniswami was chased by a devil, and he spared the blood and died on the spot. Swami remembered this dreadful, frightened experience, and he was very much afraid of the tiger chasing him and the devils chasing him. Then under the bench, Swami was sleeping. At that time, a burglar entered the room. It was dark, and Swami heard someone is coming to the room. When the object reached Swami, Swami caught hold of his leg and beat him very strongly. The burglar shouted, "Ayyo, somebody has bitten me." And then father, cook and servant entered the room. They stumbled upon the burglar. Father switched on the light. A burglar was there. He was weeping, and blood was coming out of his leg. So, father called the police. Police arrested the burglar. Burglar was a notorious burglar thief in the district. Police were searching for him. So, Swami helped the police to arrest the burglar, and everybody appreciated. His friends called him a respected person. His teachers patted his back, and his headmaster called him a true scout. Swami, all of a sudden, he became a hero overnight. This in turn, in brief, is the story of the lesson A Hero. Swami is the hero. Now, I have written the question and answer. I will read the question and answer. What was the opinion of Swami on newspaper's report? Swami was of the opinion that only a grown-up and strong boy can face the tiger, not a small young boy. Strength is important. What was the comment of Father on Swami's opinion? Father commented that courage is important and not the strength. A man may be strong, but without courage, he cannot face the tiger. As night advanced, Swami experienced dreadful experiences. What were they? As night advanced, Swami experienced bad dreams. A tiger was chasing him. He remembered all the stories of goats and devils told by his friend Muni. Swami spat Muni. He spat blood and died on seeing the devil. Swami, who was sleeping under the bench, got frightened very much. Who remembered? Who stumbled on burglar? Father, cook and servant stumbled on the burglar. I read once again. What was the opinion of Swami on his report? Swami was of the opinion that only a strong man could face the tiger and not a small young boy. Strength is important and courage is not important. What was the comment of Father on Swami's opinion? Father commented that courage is important and not the strength. A man may be very strong, but without courage, he cannot face the tiger in the jungle all alone. Next, as night advanced, Swami experienced dreadful experiences. What were they? As night advanced, Swami experienced bad dreams. He was a tiger was chasing him. He remembered the stories of goats and devils told by Mani. Swami was afraid of it. Muni Swami spat blood and died on seeing the devil. Swami, who was sleeping under the bench, got frightened very, very much. Next, who stumbled on burglar? Father, cook and servant stumbled on burglar. We'll continue next period. You make a note of this in the notebook and write the answers. Sai Ram.